Welcome to Word 360.
Episode number 8. Today, we're diving into the word disdain. Today we are going to explore its meaning, and we'll learn how to use it in daily life. Meaning, as a noun, disdain is the feeling that someone or something is unworthy of respect or attention. And, as a verb, it means to look upon or treat with contempt. Now we will learn how to use this word in real-life scenario. Example 1. Alex looked at his friend's messy desk with disdain. He didn't like the piles of papers and crumbs. Example 2. Jamie disdained the cold, soggy pizza. She pushed it away and made a sandwich instead. Example 3. Sam felt disdain when his buddy kept talking loudly on the phone. It annoyed him a lot. Example 4. Alex felt disdain for his old, slow laptop. He wanted a new one that worked better. Synonyms: contempt, scorn, derision. Antonyms: admiration, respect, esteem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment with words you want to learn. See you next time.